people have been asking about how to achieve a butt weld without braid exposure and what you do to control the braid end to make sure that it doesn't become exposed during the butt weld process.
Another big problem and a great question. I addressed it a little bit in the presentation, but braiding, we call it braid pop, is a real problem. So our strategies are always to, first of all, start off with as good an end cut as possible. It's a challenge that gets thrown back on our customers mostly. If you have a typical shear cut, so you've got your blade coming down and it just cuts off the tube, it's going to take and pull the wires down, and the downstroke of the cut is going to have wires that break through the surface to start with, and there's nothing the process can do, there's nothing the bonding process can do to reflow or reshape those wires. So if you don't start with a good cut in the first place, you're in trouble. A narrow heat band will help minimize how much of the braid can pop out of its constraint. So our technology can focus down to 2 millimeters wide, and we can place it very precisely. So that helps a lot. It also helps to anneal the braid. So we can talk to our folks at Steger, and they've got a solution for annealing sections of braid. So if you combine all those three things, you can have a high yield, successful outcome.